we are going to be making slime, and we will be needing toothpaste, salt, to mix in, something, oh, my camera. Let's just get started. First, you want to open your cap. So you want to then pour it in your, and you want to, there, just pour it in. And then you're supposed to have your one step. And you need salt. Okay, so pour some salt inside of it in the toothpaste. Oh, I forgot you need glue. So put some clear glue on it. Some clear glue on your thing. And then add the salt. Don't add a lot. And then just mix it. See, as you can see, it's already turning like slime. You could just look at the bottom, actually. Yeah, then you're already making slime. Just so you can see it. And then you have your slime. And you're actually done now. So